Okay, I'm going to show you here how to get subtitles to show up in PowerPoint and actually use it to translate from one language to another. You want to go, first of all, open up a blank. You can go any slideshow that you already currently have, and then go over to the slideshow tab, which is here, and it pulls this down, and go over to subtitle settings. And of course, you have your spoken language. So if it's of course, I mean, for mine, it's English. If yours is Spanish or whatever, that's fine. But go over to subtitle language, and this is the language you want to translate it into for whatever situation you may be in. I'm going to pick Spanish here. And so now you'll see here too, subtitle language Spanish, spoken language English. And then all you have to do is go over here and play from start, and then start talking, and everything you might have to click on the CC right here. There you go. And it will begin to translate in real time your English language into the language that you have chosen to be the subtitles. Period. It's pretty awesome. I was sitting there thinking about it because I have an ESL student in my percussion class who just moved in from Venezuela, and this is just to cover some of the clarity between some of the verbiage that I have, and it's not absolutely perfect, but it is definitely a starting place for that student. And if there's any questions from there, he can then come to me a little bit later. But I thought I would share this with everybody. Thanks to my wife, who also showed this to me earlier today. And so if you haven't used it, it's a really, really good tool if you have students who speak a different language in your room. Hope this helpful. Have a great day.